Hi there, students. Ooze. To ooze, a verb. Oozing with and ooze as a noun. Okay, as a verb, to ooze means to leak slowly, to exude. Yeah, but what does that mean? Okay, the walls of the cellar oozed water. Water was very slowly, imperceptibly coming out of the wall. The flow was so slow that you couldn't see it. Like a slow, sluggish flow of a liquid. As if flowing out through really, really small holes. The cut on my finger became infected and began to ooze pus. So pus began to come out of it very, very slowly. Okay, so to flow out of, but very slowly. Now, we can use ooze in two other more general ways. Firstly, to ooze, meaning to move slowly. The traffic oozed forward. The rush hour traffic oozed out of the city. Their enthusiasm slowly oozed away. And then the other meaning, to be full of, to give a powerful impression of. He oozed confidence. He gave a very strong impression of confidence. His demeanour oozed power and wealth. It's like power and money were coming out of him, or the impression thereof. This is where we can use the phrase oozing with. He was oozing with confidence. The nightclub was oozing with people. The city is oozing with cases of COVID, is completely full of, it's everywhere. So to ooze gives the idea of something being full of something that is slowly flowing out. The wall is oozing water. It's completely full of water and the water is slowly coming out of it. It's completely saturated. Now, we can use ooze as a noun to mean mud or slime. So, there was ooze at the bottom of the lake. There was ooze at the bottom of the river. Yeah, my feet sank deep into the ooze, some undefined slimy goo or mud. So, to ooze, to trickle, to flow slowly. Sap oozed out of the cut in the tree. To ooze, to move very slowly. The queue oozed forward. And to ooze, oozing with, to give a powerful impression of, to be full of. She oozed glamour. Now, to ooze is a regular verb. She oozed glamour. The water has oozed out of the wall for many weeks. Okay, let's see. What about formality? I think I would probably give to ooze as a verb a 5 in formality. Although the phrase to be oozing with, to be full of, I think this is less formal and I give it maybe a 3 or a 4. I think this verb is flexible and you can use it just about anywhere. I think a more formal word for this would be to exude. Yeah, that's quite a formal word, probably an 8. And then what about the origin? Well, apparently there's a Norse word, vesa, meaning a stagnant, not aerated, pool of water. So at the bottom of a stagnant pool of water there's mud and slime and ooze. So to ooze, to slowly flow, to move slowly, to be full of. Okay? So I guess you could say this channel is oozing with interesting videos. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ooze.